Well, I think several people have touched upon these issues. One is the immense amount of data that's produced from these devices. But these devices themselves are becoming smarter. They're becoming self-analyzing and self-learning. So they're getting to the point where that data is not just data, it's information. And the devices are getting increasingly sophisticated enough so they can transmit that data in the form of the right information to the right person at the right time. It was interesting to me. I was out at the Consumer Electronics Show in January, and actually the area that was getting the most attention were these Internet of Everything, Internet of Things devices and their impact on the economy. And I think one of the key issues emerging was the integral role the government needs to play in this, and the challenges to government, because it will force them to be much more agile. They're going to have to respond very, very quickly to keep up with the tremendous growth in the technology that we're seeing. And the number of agencies that are affected and impacted and need to be involved, because we had a panel that involved NIST, transportation, but also the FTC and implications for the FCC and other parts of commerce. And so, I mean, this is going to present a great opportunity, but also a great challenge to the government to be able to both keep up and ensure that trustworthiness and privacy security that will ensure acceptance. One of the things that I see that's very promising on the private sector side is that a number of big companies, Cisco, AT&T, General Motors, IBM, have begun to come together to work on this issue. And on the government side, we've seen efforts to at least raise the need for whether we should have a national IoT strategy that will ensure, and some of the ideas are coming from the congressional branch, which is most unusual in the technology arena. So there are good signs of progress or recognition